Hello and welcome everyone to the CIS 115 course, Introduction to Programming. And in this presentation I want to give you an idea of how I have my course laid out. So you can see the landing page over here is going to point to that you need to go to the announcement section. This is where I'm going to be communicating with most all of you on a weekly basis, sometimes 2, 3, 4 times a week, maybe even a couple times in the same day. So you click on the announcements and I'll be basically, again, posting up information about the latest activities, issues, or anything else in this area. So always want to make sure that you're looking into that. Under My Materials IA, all right, this is basically where the book is for the course that we're going to be utilizing. Syllabus, clearly there's the syllabus and how that is all laid out, so that spells everything out about the particular course. And then under modules, this is basically how I have the course laid out. So a couple of things you want to do is you want to review the information here in terms of before you begin, some important information about the course and some other components of it. Here are basically some additional class activities or class resources. And then I have basically classes that are set up, or the information set up based on weeks. So for week 1, we have all these topics that we're going to complete. So pretty much it's going to be the same formats. The top is going to be the class topics. So you click on that. It's going to show you basically what we're going to be covering for that particular week. And also I got a little assignment here in terms of what is all due for the week. And again, I like utilizing the modules because it kind of shows us everything, how everything is laid out. There's also attendance. Yes, I know it's online, but I'm going to be taking virtual attendance. So you want to, again, pay attention to the information that is in the announcements. So for this week, you're going to introduce yourself. There is a syllabus statement, so you want to review the syllabus and answer the questions pertaining to the syllabus statement. We have the course overview and then quiz for week 1. And then discussions, they're just basically a general configuration of you guys to communicate with each other. There's nothing that's required for the discussion. It's just basically, hey, how did you interpret this, or how did this work, etc. And then down below here I have a section here for Codio assignments. So these are basically links to a software, online software that I'm utilizing called Codio. And this is where we're going to be doing a lot of the programming. So this information here that I have assigned is actually supplemental material to the book. I'm just explaining some more things in detail about the course and about the topic on computer programming. So you're going to click on this and it'll basically navigate you to the Codio component there. And yes, you're going to need a subscription to go there. So the subscription here is going to be $48 for the 5 months here. Again, this is basically a component that I'm utilizing. So this is basically a application that I'm utilizing for all the programs that we're going to be doing throughout the course. So you want to make sure that you get the subscription for this course here. And then let me go back to modules here. And that's pretty much it. Let's see, what else? Additionally here, I have Zoom. I'll be available. So you click on Zoom and go to appointments, and then you can schedule online appointments. So I have basically appointments as of right now for Thursday evenings and Saturday mornings. So if you want to set something up to discuss a topic or something in a little bit more greater detail, so I'm able to do screen sharing and walk through the process and things along those lines versus sending emails back and forth to each other on that part. But that's pretty much the layout. And again, I'm going to be creating a couple videos here and there explaining how the programs work and how to do the coding. So next week we're going to be actually writing programs. So you want to make sure that everything is all in line in the first week here. Again, any questions, just let me know. Have a great semester.